Becky Hixson.
Thank you for coming today. I'll give a very brief description of what our plans are. There's 4 ways that you can get off the peninsula during the closure. One is flying, and Kenmore Air is working on some package deals to increase flights from Port Angeles to Seattle and also be available to move cargo. You have the option of taking the Port Townsend ferry, so with that reservation system there is that option. The other 2 options are driving around or crossing Hood Canal. So with the driving around route, we are making improvements along the roads as far as using traffic control and cameras to help people be able to access that way more smoothly, and also putting in cameras that people can view from the website before they go, so you can see what your trip is going to look like along that route. Also, the maintenance crews are going out and prepping that as much as they can to have that roadway ready to go. We're trying to minimize the number of construction projects on that road, so there's no other active construction going on during that time period. And then also, I just participated in a training yesterday for all our maintenance crews in working out emergency situations, having this, materials and supplies prepped all along that route. So in case of an emergency, they're ready to respond in a very timely manner. The other way of getting across Hood Canal, the infrastructure that's going to be set up is there's going to be parking rides on both sides of the canal that will accommodate 1,500 cars. Also, transit connections clear from Port Angeles and Port Townsend down to Shine, which is the parking ride on this side of the water. And then Port Gamble will be the parking ride on the other side, and then transit connections to Bainbridge Island, Kingston, into Silverdale. And then back and forth from the parking rides to the water shuttle docks. And there'll be a water shuttle going across the canal for passengers. It'll operate every 30 minutes and then 20 minutes in peak times in the afternoon. And Dave will, I'm sure, talk quite a bit about the actual bus routes.
Thanks, Becky.